Welcome back to the Raina's Kitchen Foodies right here on YouTube. We are dropping it like this today. I have this delicious brown stew, make your mouth run water type of chicken thighs. My supermarket had some chicken thighs, BOGO, Publix, and I was like, yes, let me grab some packs, make some brown stew chicken, rice and peas, some avocado, product of Dominican Republic. They were so good. Yes, pear. All right, so I have about 4 pounds of chicken thighs. I have all my ingredients right here. I have my all-purpose seasoning, my green seasoning. Let me give you a run again. See, green tricolor peppers, red, green, gold. I have right there paprika, trying to get away from me. I have some cayenne pepper, all-purpose seasoning. I have my green seasoning, garlic, onion, thyme. I got, like I said, all the sweet peppers, probably about a quarter of each, probably about 1 medium onion, about 4 stalks of scallion. I'm just adding about 2 tablespoons of all-purpose seasoning. I have my electric salt and pepper shaker, just just sprinkle a little. You could grab those on my Amazon storefront as well. I'll share all the links in my description box, okay? All right, so I'm using probably about a half a teaspoon of the paprika, not too much, and I'm gonna use probably about a half a teaspoon of the cayenne pepper. Just everything in moderation. This is just a guide, just test and taste as you go. I'm gonna add some browning. You can also burn your sugar, which is what browning is. It's caramelized brown sugar, but you don't want to overburn it and give it that bitter taste. So all right, that's my green seasoning, probably about 3 tablespoons. You can actually find that right here, like I said, if you scroll down on my channel. And I have some fresh thyme. So nice, smells so good. They actually sell these in the supermarket if you want to keep them inside because it's cold outside. All right, so I'm just gonna season everything up, mix it well. You can cover it, let it sit for about an hour, or you can, if you're in a hurry, just, hey, my skillet was already heating up, so it's ready to go. All right, I'm just gonna fry it on each side for about 5 to 7 minutes, all right, until you get the color that your eyes desire, okay? And listen to that sizzle. All right, so make sure you're following me on Instagram at Therainaskitchen. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell right here on YouTube, and every time I drop another video, you'll be the first to be notified. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and flip them on each side. See how nice and pretty them look already. All right, that's the color you're looking for. Okay, all right, so just fry them up a little on each side, and hey, we're gonna remove some of this oil and start the next process, okay? Use that same oil that you fry the chicken in. And matter of fact, I'm using coconut oil. That's why you see the little, that's why it looks like that. It's coconut oil. Coconut oil has the best flavor. That's what I use when I'm cooking. All right, so I remove, looks like I probably took out about 2 to 3 cups of oil. So just leave enough just to saute your vegetables. I'm gonna add some additional ingredients, not much, because you want the chicken to spring forth its own juice. It's already seasoned. I didn't have to add much seasoning to the pot. Probably just taste as you go. Like I said, this is just a guide. I'm gonna add a little sweet chili sauce. It's up to you if you want to add sweet chili. I got a little ketchup, just a little, and then some oyster sauce. All right, this will give it a nice flavor. I didn't have any red label wine or any stone ginger wine, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of water, not much, because I don't like when it's too runny. All right, still keep your gravy nice and rich, okay? All right, then just go ahead and add the chicken, because it's already partially cooked. Just add it back to the skillet. We're gonna cover it up and let it simmer for about anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes. It should be good to go. See how beautiful that is looking already? This is a perfect. All right, I'm just gonna cover it up. All right, so that's what it looks like. See how nice and pretty? You can have this in a week, a Sunday, a nice weekday meal. All right, I made some delicious rice and peas. Yes, my rice and peas recipe is on my channel. You can scroll down and follow. I use basmati rice in this one. Yes, so rice nice and shelly. That's the game. That's what you're looking for. All right, so this is my meal. Well, I probably eat half of this. I made some refreshing juice, pineapple, cucumber, a little ginger. You can add lime. Just pouring it out right here. All right, so I'm gonna enjoy my meal and see how quick. Look how delicious that looks. Dinner was ready in a flash. This was actually my Sunday dinner. All right. So yes, the chicken's so nice and flavorful. Dinner was ready in no time. I usually have the rice cooking while I'm cooking the chicken. All right, so that's how you do it, just multitasking it. All right, so thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.